Meaning of futuristic.
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 Futuristic. The term futuristic refers to something that is characterized by or embodies ideas or designs from the future, often featuring advanced technology, innovative designs, and sleek aesthetics. It is a concept that describes a vision of what the future could look like, often depicting a world shaped by scientific and technological progress. In simpler terms, something that is described as futuristic gives an impression of being ahead of its time, presenting a futuristic outlook on the world that conveys innovation and forward thinking. It is a term that is often used in design, architecture, and technology to describe products, concepts, and ideas that are pushing the boundaries of what is currently possible.